book is focused on the solutions to the climate crisis. It's comprehensive in nature because the problem is global in scope and requires a global response.
It is the essential follow-up. There's no point in describing the problem and then walking away.
Having warned everybody and having explained climate change and global warming, Al's gone the next step, once again ahead of everybody else, giving the solutions.
Vice President Gore has the rare gift of being able to make us understand what's at stake, but also to make us care, and most importantly, inspire us to change.
He is a world leader in that area. He has brought his status as an international politician to bear on what is possibly the most important issues of today.
The shared values that motivate the company are values that I share, and so I have felt very much at home with Rodale, and I just wanted to thank all of you.
He has, for the last couple of decades, done nothing but, push a green agenda, and has proven himself to be on the right side of the issues, to be completely ahead of the curve. And I think, with this latest effort, we're all going to see how, just how right he is.
Solutions are the critical element. As he and many others are pointing out, time is very short. And one of the good things that I think Vice President Gore has begun to understand with great clarity is the significance of soil with regarding to fixing this problem or helping to fix it. It will be one of the major components if we can get our arms around that question.
There are many things that need to be done. We have to stop the deforestation. We have to stop putting 90 million tons of global warming pollution into the atmosphere every day. We have to shift the patterns of agriculture toward organic farming and can contribute to saving the global climate balance.
We've really arrived at a critical point in the history of our planet, and this is the moment to solve the climate crisis. As you'll discover from reading Our Choice, solving this problem is within our reach today, but we really have to act now, and we have to make the right choice.